As devoted dog parents, we're constantly on the lookout for the best nutrition options for our furry family members. It's crucial to find a dog food that not only meets their dietary needs, but also comes from a trusted, quality source. That's where Sunday's dog food steps into the spotlight. Founded on a mission to provide a healthier alternative to traditional kibble, Sunday's has made waves with its air-dried, human-grade dog food. This video about Sunday's dog food review dives deep into what makes Sunday's stand out. We're focusing on its quality, ingredients, nutritional value, costs, customer experiences, and more. And by the way, if you're looking for the best dog food, make sure to check out Sunday's dog food. For your convenience, I left a link to their website in the description of this video. If you shop through my link, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get started. Origins and mission. Sunday's dog food was born from a personal journey of two dog lovers, a veterinarian and an engineer who were propelled into action when their own dog faced health challenges. Unable to find an existing food that struck the perfect balance between healthy and easy to serve, they decided to create their own. Their guiding mission is simple yet powerful: to make being an awesome dog parent easier for everyone. Quality and ingredients. Sunday's dog food is all about giving your dog the best. They got a perfect 5-star rating from the Dog Food Advisor, which shows how great their food is. The high rating is because they pick only the best ingredients like USDA beef, beef heart, and liver. They also add healthy plants like quinoa, pumpkin, and lots of fruits and veggies. This mix makes sure your dog gets a meal full of protein and all the important vitamins and minerals they need. Sunday's uses a special way to dry their food called air drying. This keeps all the good stuff in the food without having to use fake preservatives. It means your dog's food stays as natural and healthy as possible. Plus, this way of making food keeps it safe to eat and easy to store. So, with Sunday's, you're giving your dog a meal that's both healthy and easy to use. Nutritional analysis. When we look closely at what's in Sunday's dog food, we see it has a lot of protein, 35%, a good amount of fat, 24%, and carbs, 33%. This mix is very good for dogs because it helps them grow strong, have more energy, keeps their fur shiny, and helps their tummy work well. Quinoa and flaxseed in the food are really important. They add more protein, which is good for muscles. But even more, they have something called omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3s are super important for keeping a dog's skin healthy and their coat shiny and soft. So this food has everything a dog needs to be happy and healthy. Cost and value comparison. Sunday's dog food is a bit more expensive than some other dog foods, but when you see what it offers, the price makes sense. A lot of dog owners think it's worth it because this food is easy for dogs to digest and full of nutrients. It makes dogs healthier, more lively, and they really like eating it. People have said it's even better than some very expensive dog foods like those raw diets. This means for the money, Sunday's gives your dog a lot of good stuff without spending too much. So paying a bit more for this food can actually be a good deal because all the benefits your dog gets. Ethical and environmental considerations. Sunday's dog food is not just about making good food. They also think a lot about doing things right and being kind to the planet. They use only the best ingredients that are safe for humans to eat too. And they make their food without wasting a lot thanks to how they dry it. This shows they care a lot about pets and the earth. Many dog owners like this a lot because they want to buy from companies that do good things for the world. So choosing Sunday's means you're helping your dog and the earth at the same time. Customer satisfaction. People who buy Sunday's dog food are very happy with it. They say really good things about the food and how the company helps them. Many notice their dogs are healthier and more full of life after they start eating Sunday's. Dogs seem to get excited when it's time to eat, have an easier time digesting their food, and have more bounce in their step. People also really like how the company talks to them and helps them out. They say the support team is quick to answer questions and always nice. This shows that Sunday's cares a lot about dogs and their owners. So when you pick Sunday's, you're choosing food that's good for your dog and a company that's there for you. Concluding thoughts. Sunday's dog food stands out in the crowded pet food market for its quality, nutritional value, and ethical production. It's a brand that goes beyond merely feeding pets. It aims to enhance their health, well-being, and happiness. For dog owners seeking a premium, convenient, and health-focused option, Sunday's presents an excellent choice. If you're looking to make a change in your dog's diet or are curious about what premium dog food can offer, consider exploring Sunday's Dog Food. It's about providing your dog with the best, and Sundays is committed to making that easier for every dog parent. Whether you're new to dog parenting or looking to switch to a better diet for your pet, Sunday's Dog Food could be the next step towards a healthier, happier life for your dog. And don't forget, if you're looking for the best dog food, make sure to check out Sunday's Dog Food. For your convenience, I left a link to their website down in the description of this video. If you shop through my link, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.